So Smith, so the first thing you want to do is every Monday you should do an inventory or count, or what you call a stock take. The objective of that is to ensure that what is on the system and what is on the shelf match. Okay, so if the system says that there are 10 bottles of serum left and you do a count on the shelf and you have 8 bottles, we need to find out what happened to 2. Because whenever someone purchases a serum or a product, that should be logged on the system, right? So it basically has to all add up. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to catalog. Okay, and then in your products, it says add and organize your products in stock. When you click on here, you can see that Pisces has got 0 in stock. I think I think there's 2. So for some reason this has lost. So you have to go to actions, add stock. I think I sold 2 in the clinic. And then obviously you need to put the price in. When you have time, update that. Anyway, let's go to escape. So you've got 16 toners, 14 serums, 15 cleansers, etc., etc. Okay. Basically, if the system is telling you have 16 toners, then you should be able to count 16 toners on the shelf. Clearly, if someone comes in today and buys 1 toner, the system will update it to 15 toners. Okay, let's use toners as an example. So you've looked here and you realize that, okay, this is how much we have in stock. Now you want to go and do a stock take. A stock take is basically looking at what's on the shelf versus what you've seen as our number of products. You go to count and record stock quantity, and then you just do this every Monday. You go to stock name and just call this, let's just call this escape stock. You want you want to do a stock take for everything. So rather than just doing escape, let's just call it stock take. Just give it the date, 18th Jan 23, okay? And I'll just call this counting all escape and non-escape stock, okay? You start a stock take. Now, let's go to escape, because I know these ones are clearly showing as 0, so you need to do a product count. You need to add the products to the system. So let's go to escape, and let's go to, we were looking at the example of a toner. So if I go to toner, I'm expecting to see 16. I'm not sure why. I saw 14 on the system. So let's view the product to see what's going on here. It says 16 in stock, or maybe I miscounted. Okay, so it says 16 in stock, and I'm expecting to see 16. When I count on the shelf, I should be able to type in 16. If for some reason there are 5, I'll type in 5, and then we'll have to find out what happened. So let's just say you've done a stock take for this and you've counted 16 products. You just do review stock take. Okay, so this whole stock, let's assume that we did it for everything. This whole stock take is showing us as completed. There are 24 uncounted products in the stock take. The stock amount of these products will reset. Actually, no, you have to count every single thing on the system in the company. Because if you only count the number of toners, what's going to happen is when you click yes, complete, everything else is going to reset to 0. So I think you shouldn't do a partial stock take. You should do a full stock take, which means that you then have to come in, normal view, adjust the count for normal. If there are 5, expected 5, you do the same, right? Okay. So anyway, once you've done that for every single product, you click OK, and then it will just count the stock for you. Okay, that's what you should do.